Welcome everybody to the pre-work of the workshop, Creative Ways of Running a Webinar. This video is just a short introduction, only a couple of minutes, just to thank you for being interested in this workshop. There will be another video with real content, a so-called input presentation with 20 slides and 20 seconds per slide, so about 6-7 minutes it should run. And the workshop itself will be 90 minutes long, and I will not add any input during that workshop. Basically, everything is being said in the video beforehand. This is what flipped learning is all about. That is, and then during the workshop we will be engaging with each other. We will practice some creative sessions with each other in breakout groups. We will talk together about where creative ways in running a webinar would really make sense, or whether it's just playful game at times. And I'm very happy that you're part of the very first cohort of pioneers to try this out, this approach of running workshops online rather than webinars. I'm very happy to and thankful to Len Marshall, who's given all this input about how to run these workshops in a flipped learning format. So SOFLA stands for Synchronous Online Flipped Learning Approach. Yeah. There will also be a Google form at the end to be filled in, and not only does that confirm whether you've watched the videos, but it also prepares yourself a little bit for the workshop itself as to what to bring along to the workshop and what the possible task could be. So thank you very much for doing this. I'm looking forward to Friday, the 9th of October, and looking forward to meeting you.